everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is K. Deepa from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject Digital Design and Computer Organization. Topic Review on Memory Division in Computer Architecture. Introduction. In computing, memory refers to the computer hardware device which are used to store the data and information for instantaneous use in the computers. It is synonymous with the term primary storage. The memory hierarchy is the key in modern computer system as the gap between the speed of the processor and the memory tend to increase the computer memory operators at a higher speed. For simple random access memory as a distribution from storage that provides slow to access program and data storage but offer high capacities if needed connects of the computer memory which can be transferred to the secondary storage through a memory administration technique which is called virtual memory. Though it is not detailed in this paper, virtual memory cited because of influence to introduce the table cache. An archaic synonym for memory is a store. The term meaning primary storage or mini memory is often associated with addressable semiconductor memory that integrates circuits IC containing silicon-based transistor. Memory hierarchy. Memory hierarchy is an idea which is important for the CPU to able manipulate the data. Memory hierarchy is a team computer scientists use to explain different way of computer handles information. The data is temporary or permanent. Computer memory is depends in the below hierarchy. Registration files. Register files are beginning used to current processor to store the data. It also distribute transitional results computation in a memory hierarchy. Register files is the extreme level in several different ways. Register files is decided and ruled requirement in paralletic path register read happens and it is achieved in a single circle and desirable frequency processor as a register file. Frequency need to be a pipeline which has advantage like a one rise pipeline length. B two penalties of branch misprediction. C3 impacting intercurrency and performance. Through a large instruction windows capacity of a register file is immense to be effectively exploited. Operands should not be accumulated in register file which has advanced latency should have high bandwidth and a large number of sports so that it permit issuing and write back order in each and every cycle. Cache-based system. Even with the precision in the technology, microprocessor are considered quicker than the mini memory. Memory occurs time in is gradually the blockage in the overall performance of the application as an outcomes. An application might spend more amount of time waiting for the data. This is not only damagingly impact on the overall performance but the application cannot be encouraged with from a processor clock speed upgrade either. One's other way to overwhelm this problem is the of a small high speed buffer memory between the supercomputer and the mini computer. Random access memory. Random access memory is the location in the computer where the operating system data and application programs in the current use are kept so that they can be rapidly retrieved by the computer's processor for a real picture which is used inside the system. You can refer from another kind of storage in a computer. RAM is much required than any of this thing is reading and writing. When the computer is turned off or shut down, RAM misplaces data. And when you turn on the computer again, file the operating system are once again loaded into the RAM, usually from the hard disk. If we compare RAM and hard disk with a person, can say that the person short-term memory is RAM and long-term memory is a hard disk. Short-term memory focus on working facts in views at time. If short-term memory fills up the person brain Auxiliary for storage purpose, you can see in the high security USB flash device architecture, the flash provides expectable performance and a price characteristic to back a virtual memory through a synchronous page write option. The written democracy is hidden and it is reality longer and allows faster pages across. Flash virtual memory has been examined and used had been created the system of their responsiveness improve flash disk as swap space. Due to its limited write durability, swapping was done to avoid for supporting and widening flash. It has investigated the truth behind the issue and revisiting the VM hierarchy in the light of flash memory. Hard disk is also called hard drive or fixed disk is an electromechanical data storage device. It is used to store magnetic storage and response digital information. It uses one or more rotating disks which are coated with magnetic material. You can see a commonly used hard disk in the paddlers are paired with magnetic which as actors arms. It can write to paddler surface. The data is can be stored in any order but not sequentially. Memory hierarchy hardware software co-design in embedded system has many categories of diverse characteristics as related to general process systems. Software and hardware both get combined so that they can run specific applications that range from multimedia into industrial control system. These kinds of application differ very high in their characteristics, maximize performance, minimize cost request for different hardware architectures, or it's as a trend off between the performance and the cost because of the expected objectives. Conclusion. In this research paper, we have given and introduced to memory systems. We have tried to show the importance of memory systems in our day-to-day life. We have discussed the memory hierarchy. In the hierarchy, we have discussed the register files. Then we have discussed the cache-based systems and its different levels. Further moving down the paper, we have discussed RAM and its different types of include DRAM and SRAM. Some introductory information about flash memory has also been given. Also, information regards hard disk and magnetic types is given. Techniques to improve the memory hierarchy discussed. Memory hierarchy is a very wide concept, but we have tried to provide some of its basic information of the beginners. Thank you for the watching.